up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I go by Risha Marie, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I style my locks. Now I'm going to be 100% transparent with you. Locks are a little bit on the heavier end, so I don't always style my locks in an updo or anything like that unless I know I'm only going to be wearing it for like a few hours. I would never style my locks for an all-day process because my head will be throbbing. But for the times when I do want a quick style or something cute for a couple hours, these are some looks that you can do. Now make sure you are subscribed, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you leave a comment down in the comment section telling me which number of styles you like the best. Like, I'm gonna have them numbered somewhere in the corner so you can know how to number them down in the comment section. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Hey guys, I wanted to jump in really quick while you're watching it. Now, these styles were rushed, okay? It wasn't like I sat there and took my time to get them perfect because I had to go through multiple styles. So, of course, when you're doing this, take your time, always be gentle when pulling at your hair and just make sure you get it exactly how you want it. But I'm just showing you the overall way to do it so you can get these looks. So, I hope you enjoy. Make sure you are subscribed, like I said earlier, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings